Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome automatically opens in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type run, click on open it. Check my video description for this run command, just copy and paste it in the run command and click on OK. If you see Google Chrome in here, then you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. And after that just close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select accounts, on right side select sign in options. Scroll down under additional settings, you can able to see these three options guys. Automatically save my restartable app and restart them when I sign back in. Show my account details such as my email address on the sign in screen. Use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. Turn off these three options. After that just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type task scheduler, click on open it. You just need to select this task scheduler library. On right side you can able to see the list of application listed over here. You just need to find Google Chrome in this list. If you find Google Chrome, then just right click on it and select disable it guys. After disabling it, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Chrome and click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select system. On right side continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. You just need to turn it off. After that just to close stuff here. Now right click on the taskbar and select task manager. On left side select startup apps. In this list, if you find Google Chrome, then just right click on it and select disable it guys. After that just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you will never see a Google Chrome automatically opens up in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.